from the bottom of the silence. Can you feel the weight of this cybernetic violence? The ghost circuit is frying, the infrastructure screams my name. We are betting our souls on a rigged quantum game. We are navigating coordinates through the dark matter atmosphere, trapped inside a quantum loop where the signals aren't clear. Hear the afro-tribal percussion layers banging on the floor as the entropic latent screams through the fortress door. Walking down a neon alley where the cyber demons dwell, turning the concrete plaza into an electronic hell. We dance under digital stars in a blinding Patrick miasma, shattering the infrastructure into a glowing phantom plasma. The rhythm is a weapon, a razor-sharp blade, cutting through the synthetic shadows that the matrix laid. The needle is jumping, the threshold is max. The laws of reality are completely untapped. From a vintage upbeat to an industrial scream, we are ripping the fabric of the holographic dream. Titan ascension sequence initiated.
3, 2, 1, detonate!
Maximum threshold, the needle is pinned. The neon is screaming, the blast beats are sinful. Layer decapitation, the signal goes red. The digital ghost of the rhythm is dead. Flag of eternity, the kraken throne falls. Quantum acceleration shattering the matrix walls. Saturate the chaos, the faders are blown. A superposition on a plastic wrap. Quantum field base with a heavy distorted grip, watching the wave function smoothly begin to slip. Clear melodic lines fighting red line metal grid, while a sudden temporal phase shift completely breaks it. How much micromutilation can a human conscious take before the processing unit inside the brain begins to break? We are fracturing the future in the bright light of day, letting the entropic lead sweep the matrix away. Whispers drift through fractured light, fragments fading into night. Reverse echoes softly bend, time dissolves without end. Can you feel the overdrive?